Hi, in this video you will learn like how to optimize your HyperMesh or any other simulation or CAD software performance by leveraging like you can use the dedicated GPUs such as AMD or NVIDIA instead of relying on the Intel HD graphics. Trust me, you won't want to miss this if you are looking to enhance your work flow. So let's dive into the problem. Many times, like the HyperMesh or some other ABAQUS CAE or maybe FEMFET, it is lagging due to our graphics issue. So the main issue is like if the laptop is having two GPUs, like your Intel GPU and sorry, it's having CPU as well as GPU. One is Intel CPU and one is like dedicated graphics processing unit. Then sometimes the by default your HyperMesh or any other Hyper-View or any other software is using the Intel graphics processor instead of your dedicated graphics processor. So how to change this? So firstly go to this control panel. This is the first step you want to do, and you just type here power options. Power you need to type and just edit power setting. Here go to change advanced power setting, and you need to do these two things. Firstly go to this Intel R graphics processor, and you need to make sure that it should be always maximize maximum performance. I don't care about the battery life. I just want the maximum performance. Yeah, this will take up your battery. Like this will lower down the battery life. Maybe on full charge, previously it was giving you 4 hours of time. Now it will give you 3 hours. But currently we are more focused toward the performance side. And second, go to AMD or any other. Maybe in your case, it may be instead of AMD, it might be NVIDIA graphics power setting. So this case also you can maximize performance, then apply, then OK. This is the first setting we can do here. So by this setting, our graphics performance has been enhanced to maximum performance, and always you need to do this max best performance only. Okay, the second thing is like you can go to setting, and here you can again you need to find a setting type graphics setting. Okay, and just you need to browse some apps. Suppose I can browse here. Suppose I will remove this first. Okay, suppose I will remove this. Okay, now I will find my hyperview. Okay, in the program setting I will find the hyperview. Okay, hyperview is fine, and in options it will be by default be system default. That means it will use Intel HD graphics, but I want to use my AMD Radeon graphics. I will use to high performance. So always set what are to high performance, whatever the it is taking the high graphic display performance, whatever the application you think it will take the high graphics performance. So by this, once you open any hyperview or hypermesh, and you can check it by going to task manager and then go to performance. If you see this, uh, yeah. So if you go to do anything here, suppose I will open any deck, and then it should take my graphics processing unit. So you can see that it is taking dedicated GPU uses. Okay, this line is coming. Okay, that means it is taking that. So by using this settings, you can we can utilize the right GPU settings and configuration to unleash the full potential of our simulation softwares. So HyperMesh and HyperView and ABAQUS CAE and any other software. So this is a good technique. So this will improve the HyperMesh or any other simulation software performance, as well as it will lessen down the our processing time. So this is about this video. Uh, Yeah, you can apply these settings and let me know if you have any queries by writing the comment, and make sure if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.